Hello guys, welcome to our live show here. This is Vivian from AlunoTec. Before we move on the live show, please allow me to make a short introduction about our company. We are one of the leading professional supplier of aluminum garden shading products for nearly 1 decade. Aluminum lower roof, pergola, retractable PVC roof, outdoor furniture, and so on. Now more and more people like to family together in the garden, and they really want to make better use of their outdoor space. So they would give a lot of thought on how to decorate and how to extend their outdoor space. So with this in mind, let's kick off our live show today. Okay, now I will show you the new highly customized pergolas to you to match some people's thoughts. Okay. We have the lights on the pergola. As you can see, this is the remote control for the pergola. This is the light button. You can turn on the lights or turn off the lights. And we have the motor in the gutter. So we can control the motor to open the roof or close the roof automatically. Now I am open the lower roof now. Okay, you can stop the roof anywhere you want to stop. For the roof degree, it can open about from the 0 degree to 90 degree. And now it is close the lower blade. Okay, and for the pergolas, we have two standard colors for the system. The first one is dark gray color. As you can see, the aluminum frame, the beam, the post is the dark gray color. And the second one is white color. The lower braid is white color. Can you see that? Some people like to mix the color for the pergola. They like to choose the dark gray frame and mix the white gray lower braid. And for the pergolas, and some people worry about the installation. They think it is very difficult for them to install. And generally speaking, it is not difficult to install because we will provide you the installation manual instructions. So you just need to follow our instructions one by one to install. It's okay. And we can also provide you the installation videos, and you just need to see it according to our YouTube link. For the installation, you just need to hire 2 or 3 people to help you to install the pergola. So it is not difficult for you to install. And as you can see, this is the motor for the pergola, and we have the remote control. So the people just can control the pergolas when they not under the pergola. They can use the remote control, or they can use the signal box. The remote control has the up button. This is the up button to open the roof, and you can stop anywhere you want to stop. And it has the down button. This is the down button to close the roof. And the optional item to control the pergola, we have the signal box. We have the signal box on the post, and the people can install the signal box on the post, or they can install the signal box on the wall. That's according to the on-site. And some people will worry about, and he thinks their backyard is very small and they don't have no mind how to make the design option. Yeah, I will show you some design options according our system. Yeah, the first one is freestanding. This one has the post on the four corners to support the pergola. Yeah, and this project case shows the freestanding design option. And the second one is freestanding and wall mounted. It shows that there has the wall on the one side to attach the pergola. It has the L bracket to attach the bin, and the other side has the post to support the pergola. Yeah, so it is the freestanding and wall mounted. Some people usually choose design options because it can save the two post cost. Yeah. And this project case shows the freestanding and wall mounted pergola. Yeah, as you can see, there has the L bracket here. Yeah, to attach the bin, and the other side it has the post. Yeah, this is the project case we did in UK. It was installed by a couple, so just two people to finish the installation. Yeah, so it is not difficult to install the pergola. You just need to follow our instructions one by one. That's okay. And the first one is wall hanging. Yeah, this one needs the two tension arms to attach the pergola here. Yeah, it needs the enough height to attach the tension arm. And the last one is fitting into the existing structure. Yeah, if you have the concrete structure or some cement structure on your side, you just need to choose these design options to fix your structure. Yeah. Okay, this is the 4 design options about our system. And next, I will show you the optional items around the pergola. Yeah, and for the optional items for the pergolas, we have different options for your guys to choose. The first one is side screen. Yeah, as you can see, we have the side screen installed in the pergola here. Okay, we also have the remote control to open and close the side screen. Yeah, this is the down button. Okay, you can stop the side screen anywhere you want to stop. And for the side screen fabric, we have different colors for the fabric. Yeah, as you can see, they have different types, colors, and fabric for the side screen. And also, the remote control also has the up button. Yeah, you can control it by a remote control. It is very functional. Yeah, also you can stop the side screen anywhere you want to stop. And when the side screen closing fully, you can put a protector here to open a movie to see and enjoy the leisure time with your family and your friends. Yeah, it is very useful for the pergola. And the side screen is not 100% waterproof. Yeah, as you can see, there has some little holes for the fabric. Yeah, the side screen can protect the light rain, not heavy rain. And if the rain is very heavy, we recommend to open the side screen fully. Yeah, to prevent the side screen damage. Yes. Okay, the next optional item is frameless glass door. You can see this is also an optional item for the pergola. Yeah, this is manual glass door. You just need to open by yourself and you can close it. Yeah, if you choose the frameless glass door, you can you can see the scenery outside clearly. Yeah, it is very beautiful. And some people have will want to the technical open the roof or close the roof when they not at home. So we also have the another optional items for the pergola. The side strip, the ray sensors. Yes, I will show you the ray sensors. Yeah, as you can see in my hand, yeah, this is the ray sensors. And if the ray sensors touch the water, the roof can open fully. Okay, let me open the roof, ray roof. Okay, now the roof is open fully now. And if you are not at home at the bad weather, you may be worried about the raining days to your pergola. So you can install the ray sensors at the top of the pergola. And if the ray sensor touch the water, yeah, as you can see, the roof is closing. It is very amazing optional item. So this is it is a function product. Yeah. And also I can show you some pictures for the pergola optional items. This project case optional item is side screen. Yeah, you can see there has the side screen to prevent the sunshine. Yeah. This project case is also has the optional item side screen around the pergola. Yeah, to protect the insects or some mosquitoes. Yeah. And the clients also choose the outdoor finishes from our company, so they can have some parties under the pergolas to enjoy the leisure time. Yeah, this is inside the pergola. There has the side screen here. And this project case we did in Norway. The clients also choose the optional item as glass door. Yeah, you can see that there has the glass door around the pergola, so it can prevent the cold weather, Yeah. And this project case is also shows the glass door around the pergola, and it has also the spa under the pergola, and the clients can have the party or enjoy the time under the pergola. It is very useful. Yeah. This project case also shows the glass door. Yeah. So if you choose the pergola, you can choose different optional items. And for the pergola dimensions, our max bin is 6 meters and max brace length is 4.5 meters. So the maximum dimensions you can cover with the 4 posts is 6 by 4.5 meters. Yeah, if your size is over 6 meters, it will divide it into different parts to connect together. Yeah. So if you have any ideas want to decorate your garden or your backyard, you can send us more on-site pictures. Our sales teams and our designers and our technical can give you some professional suggestions to decorate your backyard, your garden, or your balcony. Okay. Yeah, today I show you the pergolas in our showroom to give you a mind on how to decorate your garden. Yeah, you can choose the pergolas from AlunoTec to build your dream. Yes. Yeah, that's all.